Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm currently editing my room tour video and I realized that I didn't film an intro, so I'm gonna do that really quickly. I wanted to film an in-depth room tour video. I know that you guys saw pretty much the entirety of my bedroom in the room transformation video that I posted back in May, but in this video I go a little bit more in depth and you can see pretty much everything that's in my bedroom. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I will have it up on the screen for you guys right now, and also subscribe and maybe hit the post notification bell. That would be cool. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and let's just go ahead and get started. So this is what my room looks like when you first walk through the door. I'm just gonna give you like a general overview. On the back of my door, I hung this over the door hanging rack thing, and I use this to store some sweaters and other accessories. These are my most reached for items, I would say. So on here I hung my bathrobe, a couple different hoodies and cardigans. I also hung up some bags. So there's this clear fanny pack which I use for concerts, and then I also hung up all of my belts here. To the right of my door I hung up this letterboard, and this is from Walmart. I want to say it was about $12 or something, and I just put "We Are Bulletproof the Eternal," put the members' names, and BTS Heart Army. It's been like this since I got the letterboard, I would say, pretty much, and I love it. I don't know when I'm gonna change it, but I think it's super cute. And then if you go over here, hanging macrame thing, I got this from HomeSense. If you don't have a HomeSense, it's pretty much the same as like a TJ Maxx or a Marshall's. HomeSense is just like the Canadian version of it, I think. And then at the bottom here, this white box, but I use it for the laundry hamper type thing because I don't have a laundry hamper in my room, so I just throw all my dirty clothes in here, and then when it gets too full I'll bring it downstairs. And then over here, this like 9-cube shelf thing, I use this as like a TV stand. Hello. I don't have cable in my room, so I'll watch like Netflix and stuff on there. I've had this for a while. I want to say this is from Home Depot. I put some random things on display here. It's not very aesthetic looking, but I have a lot of random trinkets and whatever that I kind of wanted to display. And then in these little bins, I store different accessories. This one has bathing suits, a jump rope, a corset belt. This one holds skirts and shorts. I don't even want to go into that one because that one has random junk and it's kind of traumatizing to look at. And then this one has more random junk, but this one's kind of fun because I have my Polaroid printer thing, and I've been printing a lot of Polaroids recently, so I just threw that in there so I had easy access to it. I'll just give you a quick little overview of the different things that are in the cubbies. Right above it, 2 of the BTS Love Yourself posters. Put those up. I actually put up all my posters with painter's tape. I feel like it's the easiest way. They haven't fallen down on me, and you can reposition them and it doesn't damage your posters. So that's like a really good tip if you want to hang up your posters. And then over here is my desk. I have a whole desk and shelf tour up on my channel already, so if you're interested in that, you can go check it out. There isn't anything different about my desk from that video, so yeah, I'm not really gonna go in depth with that, but I did want to show you my calendar because I just switched it out for September, and Tay is the picture for September, and he looks so good, so I'm obsessed. I love checking out the September like picture on all calendars because like that's my birthday month. Okay, and then you go to the right of my desk. I got this drawer system and dresser from IKEA. This is the Alex 9 drawers, and I believe this is the Malm 6 drawer dresser. I needed more storage in my room. I have a lot of junk, and I know I do, so I just kind of wanted to have, pieces of furniture counter that would hide my junk well, even though I'm definitely not organized whatsoever, and you'll see that when I go through the different drawers. But it's better than having everything just out in the open so everyone can see my garbage. I have my Amazon CD player on top of my 9-drawer system thing. I think it looks the best here, and it's convenient for me to switch out the CDs whenever I want to listen to them. I'm kind of scared to go through this and show you guys what's in it, but I'll try and quickly go through them so you guys aren't bored. The top 3 drawers are primarily makeup. So there's face makeup and stuff in the first one. Anything pertaining to my face is in here. Concealer, primer, contour, blush, foundation, powder, stuff like that. This one has more so eye makeup things. I have my eyeshadow palettes and eyelashes just kind of tossed in here. My eyebrow stuff, mascara. This one's a little bit scarier because it contains lip products, but it also has earrings and nail polish. I don't know. This one's just a mess. Random things are in this drawer. I don't even want to go into it, but you can see more random things. The letters to my marquee light box are in here. My marquee light box is up there. And then the letters for the letterboard are also in here. The first 5 drawers of this unit are small, and then there's 4 larger drawers. So this one, oh goodness, there's makeup wipes and lotion, Q-tips, Vaseline, waxing strips, band-aids. I want to say toiletry items, and then this one has all my skincare in it pretty much. Not organized again, but I find my things when I need them. I put all my hair stuff in here, the hot tools, hair ties, bobby pins, clips, fun stuff like that. And then this one is miscellaneous again. There's like wallets and makeup bags. On top of my dresser, I put my army membership kit on display, and then I have this all white outfit thing just on the top, just to remind myself to wear it. These are the posters that I hung on the wall: the Young Forever Day version poster and the Map of the Soul 7 version 1 and version 4 posters. I wanted to hang those ones up. In my dresser, I tried to organize it by item. This drawer contains sports bras, pasties, sticky bras. Underwear's in here. Socks are in this one. I put my heavier socks on this side, tights, and then it becomes like ankle socks, the no-show socks, and then my Nike socks are all over here. My pajama shirts are in this drawer. Sweatpants, shorts, pajama pants are all in this one. And then I have just primarily bottoms in here, most of them being jeans. This is my closet. My room is pretty small, so it's kind of cramped in here. The door doesn't even completely open because of the dresser. The dresser kind of sticks out, so that's about as far as my closet will open. I have a bunch of junk at the bottom. I don't even want to go into that, but on the back of the door, I hung up this letter A with Piglet on it. I'm pretty sure I've had this since birth, so I wanted to hang that up. And then I also hung up this BTS poster that I got from some random store. I don't even know. All of my sweaters are folded at the top here, and then primarily all of my other clothes are in here, just the stuff that I needed to hang. Extra hangers. I have a lot of extra hangers because I've been cleaning out my closet for specific reasons, which you guys will find out in another video. I put my overnight bags in the corner there, and these plastic bins are empty, and then I just kind of tossed all my junk into the corner there. So I don't even know what's really over there. Oh gosh. To the right of my closet and right beside my bed is this cart thingy that I got from IKEA. I'm using it as a nightstand. I originally bought this for my university house, but when I moved back home, I didn't really have anywhere to put it, and I thought it would be like the perfect nightstand, so I kind of just made it into one. It's not very aesthetic looking and it's kind of cluttered, but I did my best with trying to place things on here that I thought I would use, you know. At the top, I put these fake succulent plants just to add some color. My glasses are here. I have a lamp, a water bottle so I can drink water at night. I have the pictures of my grandmothers nicely placed at the top here. In the middle shelf, there's just some body mists, my old Justin Bieber perfumes, but I kept the bottles because they were nice. Kleenex, a book, and my glasses case. And then at the very bottom, I have more books. And then my One Direction and Justin Bieber collectible books are just placed at the bottom here. I was a huge Belieber and Directioner in my past, so I do have these books and I don't have the heart to part with them. So I just am keeping them here. And then I placed a little cross in the corner there. Above the cart, I hung up this wire grid and I got this from IKEA. I tried to make a collage of different pictures and collectible item thingies and put them on here just for memories. There's concert tickets, small little Polaroids, birthday cards. These are name tags from 2 of my previous jobs. My prom pictures up here, just some fun memories. And then over here, I hung up my AirPods. The case is actually from Amazon, if you guys were wondering. I really liked that. So I just have that hung up there for easy access. And I always know that they're there, so I don't lose them. And then above the wire grid, I hung up my Moonlight. This is from HomeSense as well. It's battery operated, so you can just turn it on and it looks like that. On this wall over here, I have another calendar. This calendar was given to me as a Christmas gift, and Jimin is the picture for September. The curtains are just some sheer white curtains, and I got those from Dollarama, and I hung them up on this curtain rod. I hung them up myself. I'm pretty sure they're not straight, but it's fine. On the window ledge, I placed my Google Home, this little sign with my name on it, and then this collage picture thing that my friend made for me when we all moved out of uni. So I love this area of my room. I have a queen size bed, and this bed frame is from IKEA. I absolutely love it. I have Christmas lights strung on the headboard. These 2 pillows are from HomeSense. The body pillow, I believe, is from either Target or Walmart. I'm not sure where my duvet cover is from. I think it's from Quilts Etc. because I'm just assuming. I got this in like first year uni. This white throw blanket that my mom got from a vendor at her work, and this was like 10 bucks. And then this is like my favorite wall. This is my Vine wall. So I have these curtain lights hung up on command hooks, and then I put these little vine strands on top, and both are from Amazon. But I love, 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 love this wall so much. It was such a big blank wall and I had no idea what to put on it, but I think that this really fills up the space and adds some nice color to my room. Underneath my bed, I tried to toss a few more things under here for storage purposes. So these 2 plastic under the bed bins, I don't even know what's in there. I want to say craft supplies. That box has like winter hats. I kind of threw my tripod under here. There's a random reusable bag in the back there, and then my roller thingy that I use to roll out my calves when they're sore. On the end of my bed, I hung up some bags. These are my most used bags, so having them here is just easy access for me. There's just an Innisfree tote bag, a Sad Boys little fanny pack, and my most used Kate Spade purse. It's just hanging at the bottom there. The final thing in my room is this mirror. I got this mirror from Target. I believe it was $10 or so. So really cheap. It's not the nicest mirror, but it does its job, you know. I just need it to check my outfits right before I leave. And then I just have my Bath & Body Works wallflower plug-in just in there so that my room smells fresh, you know? So that was my full room tour. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that maybe it gave you some inspiration on how to decorate your room. And I hope to see you guys in my next video.